study this diagram to clarify what I'm trying to teach. We are going to make a foundation chain that will equal to the measurement of the sleeve length. I measured 6.5, but I want to round it up to 7, so 7 inches. So after I made a chain, it measures up to 7 inches. Then I will make the other side, the other sleeve, also 7. So it's a little bit over, but I can undo it when I get there. So the next thing we need to do is to go ahead and make the first row of the sleeve upper chest part of the swimwear cover up. So here we go. So it's just the same way we done on making the chest piece. The only difference is that we are working in row this time instead of around. After making the foundation chain, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, double crochet on the 6th chain from hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then chain 1, skip 1 chain and double crochet on the next chain. Chain 1, skip 1 chain and double crochet on the next chain. Repeat this across foundation chain. After the double crochet of the last chain of the foundation chain, chain 1 and double crochet on the next double crochet. You see that? Continue to do chain 1 double crochet on next double crochet until you have reached the foundation chain of the other sleeve. So I'll meet you on the other side of these bodies or upper chest. After the last double crochet, just before the junction between the sleeve and the bodies, we chain 1 and double crochet on the first chain of the foundation chain of the sleeve. Then we chain 1 and skip 1 chain and double crochet on the next chain. Chain 1, skip 1 chain and double crochet on the next chain. Chain 1, skip 1 chain and double crochet on the next chain. The number of double crochets on each sleeve should be the same. So let's count the double crochets to see that they are matching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, including the turning chain. So I need to make a total of 18 double crochets on this sleeve also. I'll meet you at the end of this row. Remember that this measurement will be based on your measurement. I counted 18, so I'm gonna undo the extra stitches here. This is the working end of the back part of the upper chest, so we are not going to break this yarn. Put back the temporary lace that we will undo later on. Okay, so we are ready for the second row. So we turn the work. And we will do the second row. Second row of the upper chest and sleeve. We chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and double crochet on the next double crochet. Repeat, chain 1, double crochet on the next double crochet, chain 1, double crochet on the next double crochet. Repeat row 2 over and over again until it measures half the circumference of the armhole. So I'll see you toward the end of this piece. I'm measuring in inches, so half of my armhole circumference is 9 7/8, and I round it off to 9, and I have enough rows to meet that measurement.